right, so let's put our chef's hats on for a second and think of your mortgage payment as a soup that we are creating with a couple key ingredients. Ingredient number 1 is going to be your principal. Ingredient 2 is your interest. Number 3 is the property taxes. Number 4 is your homeowner's insurance. Number 5 is the PMI if necessary. And number 6 would be the HOA dues. Ingredient number 1 is the principal. This is the amount that you have borrowed on the loan for the purchase of this property. Now, each and every month you're going to make a payment towards principal, and it is going to buy down the mortgage and get you that much closer to owning your home outright. Ingredient number 2 is the interest. The interest is the spice in the soup. It is the cost that you are paying back for borrowing the money. And the higher the interest rate, the spicier the soup. The good news is, over time, you're going to be paying less and less interest on the mortgage, and you're going to be paying more and more towards principal. Ingredient number 3 are your property taxes. This is the seasoning of our soup. And taxes are like a slice of the mortgage payment that go towards the local government, covering your infrastructure like roads, your public services like police and firefighters, and your local schools. Ingredient number 4 is your homeowner's insurance. This is like the safety net. It ensures that your property is covered in case of an unexpected disaster like a fire or water damage. Additionally, the lender is going to require that you have homeowner's insurance on the property as long as you have a loan. This is something that you will select on your own, and I have great recommendations if you want to talk to somebody about this. The 5th ingredient is PMI. This is like the backup sauce. If you put down less than 20%, you're going to be required to pay PMI, or private mortgage insurance, on the loan. This protects Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac in case of a default situation. But the great news is, once you've built up enough equity in the property, you can look at removing this from the soup. And ingredient number 6 are HOA dues. This is like the side dish to your soup. It's not going to be included in your mortgage payment, but it is going to be something that you'll want to budget for on a monthly basis. These can vary from building to building depending on the amenities, and will go to cover the common expenses and building upkeep on the property. So these are the 6 ingredients in your mortgage payment soup. You want to work with a mortgage expert to put together a recipe for financial success.